Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ki Noilam jang Shillong Manipuri Students Union bat ka Bholaganj Meitei Development Society haka khatlai tergulber arajar arpho kilai kenduk kerpang ya ki Noilam jang seng kisamla puli ka khasi Students Union ban penchai bat pensotho ba ki jai ben riu Meitei ki basyong shnong ha ichamati shela bat majai kem shimla dan bentai eruem ban thambor gi khot ka ki su ha ka arpu pratar gurumpang arajar arpho ha ichamati ha den belawai ke jingelang man persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act bat bandawa ya ka N-Line Permit ha ka jinge kran begila pathai kubor u jangas ka tri ka ki su u samna Donald V thaba lo ong ba ka seng ka priang ni jing percai ha den bakala tok kit penya nagi babun kiliang wat ha den ba wei breu ula kentho ha Facebook shen bagi jai ben Meitei ru ki don kiti ban thambor ya ki de khot ka ki su ha ka te sngi.
We've had a meeting just now along with the Shillong Manipuri Students Union, and also present here are the members of the Majai Bholaganj Manipuri Development Society. So we've had a discussion with them regarding the allegations by some sections of the newspaper that, and also including social media, whereby one person was in Facebook, in his account, it features that he was actively involved in the attack of the KSU members. Yang ini kita lagi ni dalam ini kita kerja persai. Dia kerjanya kerana jungi persai ini bahan kalian kerja beri Meitei kimi dan kiti dia makan kerja jang. Mereka menitip Manipur ketika jelar pun baca beri. Kita Meitei kita di Bushikuria, kita di Naga, kita di Jekri Kupi, Jekri Mizur di Bunjai. Di badan mampu akan majai camati Jekri di Meitei bagi Bushikuria. Ini arti dijebri prepare ba wala gidi na gaju jelaru. The condition that has happened in Isamati was by a group of goons that which has nothing to do with our community, with the community or in common people in Manipuri like here in Shillong. And in fact, the Manipuri, the common people, say the Meitei, or maybe the other groups have been supporting the IMP system. And we have been going through the issue from generation to generation. But unfortunately, Manipur has given the ILP, but which is yet in Meghalaya. So we pray to God that even in Meghalaya also the ILP system comes soon. And then we are also against the CAA Act, which has been identified by the central government. And in coming to the situation in Meghalaya, we are also very tense. Like in the general common people here in Meghalaya, not just in Shillong. So we want to state that it was nothing, that none of our people was involved, and then we want a good relation, and I'm also appealing to the public, especially to the Meghalaya, that we want a peaceful and a good relation and a good environment. And we are also there to uplift the state government, or say the state or the what call this Meghalaya in uplifting and development in the near future and in the present as well. So we should not create any kind of confusion and no hatred feelings among our brothers like in the northeast. So we should stand and we condemn such acts that happen in Samati and the unrest feelings that has been happening in Shillong. In terms of Manipuri or not Manipuri, I cannot give the statement that they are not Manipuri. Maybe he is a Manipuri, but he is in a different, not with the common people. So he has done something, and then all the common people cannot take the burden of it. So there are also good peoples in Meghalaya, like in common people, who is like helping hand to hand for the good environment, for the good governance, for the good state, for the whole thing. So because of him or whoever is supposing, we do not know him, we have nothing to do against, or we have nothing to do with him.
Is he a Meitei or?
No, as far as our knowledge, he is not a Meitei. So that we can leave.
Yang terus ni bah, ja aku
Fatari itu mengi Meitei Development Society hampir dan ga ayu bo nga suwano pansai na Meitei Development Society nga di presiden but iwan pansai no di atau si ba hindu tadi da pau dalam Manipuri Meitei lo semua punta dengan wan pansai no sini di Meitei Development Society di Manipuri mengi undang ba sini so punta
agak jingi kerang dijungi layo objektif kambun di nama begini di lombi ba ripat di ketika than di kemudian tu juga yang ba di Meitei dan ba Arpugia di Bushin Korea dan Arpugia di kembali jembatai di jungki yang uni subuh sing kembalami ikut kubor undir Meitei di belakang di Bushin Korea di adu mentar belakang untuk berubah syai ini untuk berubah syai di ini di atli jadi di bapia di bagi wanmi sini di lakukan stu iki ba jadi beri jungi rukas stu i kata di bro nomor ba kekamdan gando gajing tombor di jadi Meitei there was no retaliatory attack against the Meitei community nomor ba ni stu i ba di jadi Meitei dan rekat ni yang di jungi ki ada du CE nomor jungi village Manipur ini di wan sini di dendang Suwati di kamdan dari ni tempat di jungi syalada ini je beri dan ketin dari lembaga jiwan ini nomor ini di Sengmalang di bapet ya welfare bahag ni je beri Meitei tang jungi Meitei kila itu bila pensai ba amdan badan keti ban kumpara je beri ulum hi iba yang haju panongrim in sim ga jikar jungi priang ba ki Meitei ki badan keti nomor kilawan berpencisa nomor ba nilai video ini kami gadur jungi ki Meitei ini priang yang kata ban ini scam berubah ini je begini je beri Meitei ini sekemat dengan dengan train dengan pos-pos berkunjuru je beri Meitei di badan ketika thai area majai telap untuk terteru kentang train dengan pos-pos di bagaimana beri ujungi menginyalong langkawi menginyalong ke kenyadang kata jenis jumat kejingin teli mana-mana dulu ke bah long kejingin per kejingin kempolong di je beri bagi suatu kejingin lang camati kemudian itu diberi ke yang bah kat ba kaki isu kadang pelong jingalang ria ing jungwe ube saipan karbang kini diberi bila isyong lupa bila era bila empat lupa bat nar tiar bat white bat su badi badi bila dan ngidang lo meeting bila ya lupa anda lawai meeting hadir sekentang dan lasang elit de bero sestang ngat ma tinggal astu bangani gi bro badi ngi plan di dan di cek beri badi ni cek beri bila yo melis umbang saudara muai gikiwe tinggi film syamhi kalau perlu kerteng kalau pada juga Meitei dia lo kata kalau remba itu yang bah Meitei ini dan pentai hak ujung bor di dekat ujungnya bo camati